Good morning, sir. Today, our Group 12 want to present about operation management of bread bringer house. In Group 12, we have 5 group members. Now, I will talk about name of business. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is FAUZI. My matric number is A20A1933. Our business name is Bread Bringer House. It is a bakery business. The beginning of Bread Bringer House is because our products are homemade. We using own recipe and natural color from vegetable and fruits for coloring. The form of the business is partnership. The main scope of the business is grain-based food industry. Location of Bread Bringer House is located at X/8A Jalan Penggalan Cepak 15200 Kota Baru, Kelantan. We have located at this location because its surrounding have school, house and company. Next, I will talk about the natures of business of Bread Bringer House. Our breads and cakes are quality, price is reasonable, and giving healthy lifestyle through our products to every customers. The target market of Bread Bringer House are childs, teenager, elders, and worker. In our bakery business, we have two visions. First is to produce baked goods of high quality to every customers. Second, to provide customers with a great taste and healthy lifestyle through our product. For mission of our business, we have 3. First, to aspire to bring more creativity to our product so that customer will come again. Second, to create a good workplace where employee can have a good condition for working. Third, to maintain a competitive price of bakery product to meet different level of customer demand income. That's all from me. Now I will pass to THONG.
Thank you, ZHONG. Now I'm going to present the business structure of the Bread Bringer House. General Manager is THONG. Marketing Manager is ZHONG. Operating Manager is FARAH NAJIHAH. Administration Manager is Ying. And Financial Manager is LING. Next, I'm going to present the product offer. Bread Bringer House is a bakery shop that sells cake, bread, cookie, cream puff, sandwich and donut. Our baked goods categories like bread, buns, loaf bread, cookies, desserts like cakes, cheesecake, and sweet goods like donut. Flour and water are the primary ingredients that have the responsible for the characteristic of appearance, texture, and the flavor of our bakery products. Egg, milk, salt, and sugars are effective in modifying this quality. And various minor ingredients may be also be used by our bakery. Salt wheat flour is appropriate for cakes, cookies. Hard wheat flour is adapted to bread and Danish pastry. Our bakery have different flavor of cakes like Oreo cake, fruit cake, black forest cake, matcha cake, berry cake, tiramisu cake, strawberry yogurt cake, New York cheesecake, and chestnut biscuit cake. Bread Binker House have different choices of bread like multigrain bread, potato bread, pizza bread, Korean garlic cheese bread, pandan string sliced bread, wholemeal jumbo bread, and sausage bun. We also have item of cupcakes with the flavor dark chocolate cupcake with peanut butter frosting, Oreo cupcake, vanilla cupcake, and carrot cupcake. We also have some sandwiches like egg sandwich, ham sandwich, chicken slice sandwich, sardine sandwich, or tuna sandwich, and cheese sandwich. And we have 9 flavors of cream puff like matcha, strawberry, chocolate, durian, mango, tiramisu, raspberry, brown sugar, pure milk tea, and vanilla flavor. And we also have different types of donuts like chocolate, strawberry, blueberry, coffee, black forest, and chocolate almond. And for the last item is cookie. We have 5 flavors of cookies like chocolate, butter, oat, red velvet, and matcha with chocolate chips cookies. Now I'm going to pass to Wei Ling to present her part.
Thank you, Thong. Next, I want to present about the managing quality. Quality management is the art of overseeing all activities and tasks. This activity and task must be complete to maintain the required level of excellence. This activity includes determining quality policies, developing and implementing quality plans, and assurance and quality control, and quality improvement. Focusing on long-term goals by implementing short-term plans is known as quality management. TQM can be called a business philosophy that the long-term success of a company comes from customer satisfaction and loyalty. TQM requires all of company's stakeholders to work together to improve process, product, service, and the company or culture. Although this process seems intuitive, its emergency is also considered a revolutionary idea. Its goal is to provide quality goods and service that meet customer needs. Because of TQM encourage customers to tell us how to produce the right product, including goods and service, so our bakery have provided a feedback corner to collect consumer opinions and conduct questionnaires to monitor customer satisfaction and then make improvement based on the information received. Successful TQM requires that everyone in the organization, not just senior management, is committed to customer satisfaction. So we use software to implement a shift system that allows bakery employees or bakers to work in shift at specific time to improve service efficiency and to train employees, so they can do their jobs better and collect employees' quality issues in a timely manner. An integral part of TQM is continuous improvement, which focuses on the design, production, and delivery of product and service. Therefore, we continuously improve the variety of bread to provide consumers with more choice. We also host more meetings after business close to discuss efficiency in a timely manner and then make improvements. Next, I want to present about the process and capacity design. Process design is the art of translating an organization's vision, goals, and available resource into identifiable and measurable means to achieve the organization's vision. It starts with process analysis, combining best practice from similar organization, industry standard organization, process reference models, or third-party consultant with the experience and insight of the process design team. Process design focuses on defining how an organization will achieve its financial and other goals. Value stream mapping shows the flow of materials and information from suppliers to customers and is a lean manufacturing technique used to analyze, design, and manage the flow of material and information needed to bring products to customers, helping to identify waste and simplifying the production process. First, our manager will decide and plan the future plan of the bakery, and the value stream map of the bakery starts with the selection of the raw material used by the suppliers to make the bread until the delivery for the customer. The second is to choose the material for making bread and discuss the type of packaging design of the bread or sales. Then we do market research to find the most popular bread and put them in store for customers to buy. The third is to record the flow of information from the input to output of the purchased material from the supplier. The fourth is to correct key data for each process. And the fifth is to document the actual timely involved in each process of bakery's operations. Sixth is to identify waste, and to address this, we create an ideal value stream map to help with that. For capability design, is the process of determining that an organization's production capacity relies on increment and manual scale to meet the changing demand of its products. To increase the production capacity of the bakery, the first thing our bakery does is estimate the bakery's future capacity need from market research. After this, we learn that using smart baking machine and manpower to make bread, it can help us to increase production capacity, save time, and give more time let customer enjoy it quickly. In terms of safety planning, our bakery have been kept clean and tidy to prevent bad things from happening. Secondly, we will analyze the type of bread in order to choose the type of bread that is more in line with the requirement and preference of market customer. In addition to utilizing production capacity to meet customer need, we also consider customer service because good communication also help to increase production capacity. That's all is my presentation. Next, I want to pass for Farah to present her part. Thank you.
Thank you, Eileen. Now I will explain the location strategy part and layout strategy. Location strategy is that the company determines the location of the office and employees should be located. Company needs to identify and needs and objective of the company as well as location that have comfortable offering to maximize the opportunity available and at the same time try to minimize the cost and risk that will be faced. This location strategy should be in line with company rules. This strategic planning will determine the process by which the company's strategy or direction in making the decision about the allocating of resources to pursue its strategy, capital, and staff. It is this business location environment that influences a company's ability to build and maintain good customer relationship. Bread Bingo House is a bakery that supplies a wide selection of breads, biscuits, and cakes. Therefore, we choose a location that is close to the residential area and at the same time it also close to the town. This is because the bakery business is in high demand among everyone. The location we wanted was close to school grounds, office, and housing estate. Among the factors that influence our location decision are competitors, market, as well as suppliers. Now, on to the layout strategy section. The layout strategy involves the positioning of equipment and storage facilities. It is designed to facilitate the efficient flow of customer or material through a manufacturing or service system. It is important in typical business operation because it can have a significant impact on operational costs and effectiveness. The layout used by Bread Bingo House is a retail layout and office layout. A retail layout is an area where product buying and selling activities are made, and products are displayed to make it easier for customers to see and choose. Meanwhile, the office layout is space for bread, biscuit, and cake processing work, product packaging, and as well as the manager office. Retail layout is the way customers interact with a product and it makes an impact by influencing behavior toward their purchase. The retail layout is based on the idea that sales and profit differ directly from a customer exposure to a product. Bread Bingo House showcase bread and biscuit made on a bread display, right? So with that, the aroma of bread will perfume the store throughout the day and customer will be captivated by the aroma. In addition, we also provide a variety of bread and biscuit for customers and as taster and samples. Office layout are designed for employees, equipment, space, and office to provide information movement. It is a room or area used to do work. Office layout is associated as a workplace used to perform work consisting of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. For Bread Bingo House, the office layout is a kitchen area where employees begin work in making bread, biscuit, and cakes. There is also a small office for a manager to do management or other work. In conclusion, job design has created jobs that allow the organization to achieve its goal while rewarding employees. Good design increases productivity and quality of work while bringing higher job satisfaction, lower absenteeism, and lower employees' turnover intention. To redesign work properly, Breit-Bingham applies Heckman and Ullman theory of work characteristics to employees. When these features are used, the job will be meaningful and employees will feel responsible as well as have more knowledge about the result of their work. That's all for me. Now I will give it to Huyen for her presentation.
Thank you, Farah. I'm Huyen. Today I'm going to present the strategy decision of operation management. That is inventory management and scheduling. Inventory management refers to the process of ordering, storing, using, and selling a company's inventory. As Breit-Bingham, one of the companies that operate as a bakery shop, we also have some types of inventory planning and control system. An inventory account has 4 separate categories. For example, Breit-Bingham raw material is made from a variety of materials. Second, their work in progress. There is raw materials in the process of being turned into a completed product. Third, an LO inventory, which our management operation require to keep the machinery and operation running. Finally, there is finished good inventory, which is the final stage of a completed product that ready to ship. Scheduling is a method of ensuring that every process used in the production of a product runs on schedule and avoid cost and time overruns. Capacity planning is the first step in the scheduling process. One of the most important aspects of a bakery is scheduling and staffing. The aggregate plan then implemented to identify the number of employees required to produce product to meet the needs with capacity planning. Following that, Breit-Bingham will create a master schedule to identify the weekly capacity that need to achieve. For example, Breit-Bingham have full-time worker and part-time worker. Truth, the short-term scheduling is to make finite capacity by matching specific tasks with specific staff. That's all my presentation. Thank you. Now I will pass to Farah.
Thank you, Huyen, for your explanation. Now, be with me again and I will explain the maintenance part. Maintenance refers to the effort to maintain the condition and performance of a machine. Maintenance is also to a set of processes that ensure the continuous and systematic operation of machine and equipment in the business. The operation of Breit-Bingham bakery requires a maintenance management system as it can provide efficient planning. Maintenance important why? Maintenance is an important factor in quality assurance to determine the long-term success of a company. Planned maintenance will reduce the downtime caused by damage as well as will improve your product in a short time. Thus, it can save time, help equipment, machine operate safely, and be operate well through the process. What will happen if it is not well maintained? The first will cause instability and cause production to cease. This will cause it become improbable and damaged. As a result, there will be unexpected expenses such as additional costs for repairs, technicians, maintenance inspection, and spare parts. Constant maintenance will lead to work risk and an unsafe environment. So for me, next Wei-Zong will spend a little on the maintenance part and closing for our group. Thank you.
Thank you, Farah. Now Wei-Zong will continue the last part of maintenance. There are 2 parts need maintenance. First, shop building compartment and equipment and machine. Example of shop building compartment is Shilin. The example of equipment and machine is oven and mixture. The construction of equipment and machine used by bread bigger's house have setting a schedule for it to be maintained and inspected. The equipment and machine also need to be properly maintained and always be clean. Now, I will talk about the conclusion part. Based on the bread bigger's house that we have created, we are know more about the process operation management of bakery shop. We also learned the way to improve the quality of product and the way to modify a new product in our business. Through the research, we know that operation management is helping to produce our products through the technological systematic. Lastly, we are looking forward to successfully operating our business in the near future. That's all from our group. Thank you for listening.